Welcome back, everybody. Back in the garage. We're getting the door bar ready here for the Lumina. So this will be Lumina build part 3. Something like that. Gonna get a door bar in. Hopefully get the gas tank out. Hopefully. And just keep on keeping on. Got the roof sign. Yeah, I know my roof sign's pretty lame. But it was cheap. And yeah, let's see what we get to. Right now we're just getting ready to get this plate on there so I can bolt it in. Tony's got it all centered up.
Welcome back!
Okay. Alright, we got the gas tank out.
Sorry.
The exhaust is off. Now we're just getting the new gas tank ready. Let her. Gotta fill it up. And then we gotta install it.
I'm excited.
Alright, we got the gas tank in. Jimmy Choo showed up.
Yep, finally. Sorry, guys. Hey, I'm still here.
Yeah. Anyway, gas tank is in. And we're gonna start running the lines through the dash and everything, and then...
What's a dash?
Oh, so much fun! Let's get to work!
Hey.
And then that's gonna be it for tonight, and then we're gonna come back out tomorrow, finish recording, and...
What are you recording right now? Can you stop the clip?
it'll be good.
And yeah. What? Are you recording right now?
Yeah, yes.
Alright, we're still working on the Lumina. We got the gas tank finally figured out.
I can't read this.
Took a little while.
Well, maybe hold it up to your face closer.
Now we're doing the wiring. Took the radiator out.
Radiator.
And got the computer moved up there now. Got rid of the AC. And look who showed up.
Hi!
This is Joe. He's the one who actually gave me the Lumina.
Yep.
Yep.
This is Lumina.
Yeah.
I tapped
He gets
start.
to watch it get crushed.
It'll be fun. Here's Bubbles.
Ready for work.
Alright.
Alright, a little update, guys. We got the computer mounted. Kinda.
Kinda, yeah, it's
It'll
a
work.
little but oh
It's a little
well.
messy. We'll clean it up a little later, but it'll work for now.
Got the positive, negative cables hooked up.
Yep.
We had to rewire them.
Yeah, it was kind of a pain, but
Took us about 2.5 hours to
Yeah.
do that.
to figure out what the problem was.
We're about to install the radiator.
Put the radiator back in.
There's Bubbles. And here's me with a beer.
And then we're gonna I'm gonna hardwire the fans in line with the fuse so they don't get too hot and start on fire.
That would not be good.
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, yeah. Approved.
I'm drunk.
Alright, update.
Can't see!
It's Bubbles!
We're doing some wiring. We got switch ran for the starter.
If you
If I
grab it.
if I can grab it.
To be
Works.
honest right now, I can't see any of the words.
Works. And then we got where's the switch for the fan?
You just had it.
That was the starter.
Oh, that was the start? Okay. Well,
There's a lot going on. I gotta organize it.
right there.
Where?
No.
I can't see.
Where's it? Oh, here it is.
We're all blurred together.
Here's the fans. Ready?
Fans
Yeah.
work. Let me-
Fans working.
I would have showed them.
You can see. Spinning.
She's
And then we have the driver of our 96 car somewhere around here, over here. She's hiding. But she'll be the driver of the 96 car,
Which is
I don't know why
which
she's
is the
hiding.
Oldsmobile, the one that lost in the tug of war.
the
You don't have to
89 Oldsmobile 98.
Okay, thanks,
And
Bubbles.
there's-
Alright, we got the wiring all done. We were kind of creative and put it back into the air control. We'll do a little startup.
Bubbles.
this one right here, turn it back on. That one's for the fan. You know that. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and those hate comments, and roll that outro. I was just hand gesture. Thanks for watching. Thanks.
Lydia, hi.
Hi. Thanks for watching. What? What's that?
Alrighty, we got.
What? I don't know.
Is. Can you get
Potatoes. What? Thanks for watching. Really, Joe? Seriously?
Hi, Bubbles.
Are we going still?
Yes.